So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a British pound bank account on the RBC Mobile application. So once the RBC account or once the RBC app's opened up, what I want you to do is press right in front of you on the Open an Account button under Accounts Overview, or go to the bottom right, press on More, scroll down to where it says Products, and then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, I want you to go down to the third option that says Foreign Currencies, Save, Receive, and Exchange Foreign Currency. Simply go ahead and press on that. Once you're on the foreign currency page, if you want to open up a British pound bank account, at the top it says RBC British Pound e-Savings Account. Press on that one. Once you're here, you can go ahead and read. So it says receive, hold, and exchange British pounds. It tells you what comes with the account. It also shows you the tiered interest rate right here, as well as the show fee table. So if you want to press on the show fee table, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And if all looks good and you want to proceed with the British pound bank account, go to the bottom, press on the blue Open an Account in Minutes button, and then follow the steps that way. So very simple, super straightforward. That is how to open up a British pound bank account on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.